What is up? What is swell? It's your girl Elia Dig. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. As you can see, I'm in the lab, aka the dirty garage. You feel me? And today, back at it again with the white vans. You feel me? So I'm about to paint these vans. I'm gonna do blue, pink, and gray. I got a slight idea. I just want to use those colors because I think those colors are cute. So, watch me paint. You guys, thanks for tuning into Elle's Corner. I am finished with the shoes. I'll insert a picture because I'm not by the shoes anymore. Came to wash my hands. They're really dirty, but make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join the family, and stay tuned for more videos. Giveaway coming soon. All right, peace.